This program contains shocking and often disturbing images. Viewer discretion advised.
Kan dere se hva det er for noe?
As I mentioned it briefly to you, I'll leave your business card here.
Take your head back. Yeah. Close your eyes. Oh God.
Go, please.
Oh, come on. Like this. Close your eyes.
Tip up.
Like this?
Okay, yeah. And you look down towards the camera. And here.
Go in front of me.
Vilde. Okay, you're too stiff. Tip it back. Honey.
Pust.
Go over there. I'm going over there. Go for it. All the way.
Oh God.
Continue.
Oh God. It's just fun.
Were you nervous while you were doing actual scenes? A little?
A little. But yeah, it was better than I thought.
Falling in love is such an easy thing to do. Birds can do it, we can do it. Let's stop talking, let's get to it. Let's fall in love.
You know, let you rehearse the scene and go over it again and again. And when we filmed the scene on the boat, it looked so real that people thought the young actress actually did something on the boat. Well, interview everyone on the movie set that day, and they will all confirm it was innocent.
This is going down one way or another. You want to be on the right side.
Væpnede politistyrker omringet i ettermiddag DNB Nords filial i sentrum av Bergen. Politiet trodde banken var utsatt for et væpnet ran. Flere vitner hadde sett personer med finlandshetter og våpen inne i bygningen, og politiet rykket rutinemessig ut med store styrker.
Jeg sto der, og så en sa at nei, vi har laser på oss. Så ser jeg sånn, så har jeg 3 laser på meg. Og så jeg går sånn, så har jeg 3 laser på meg. Så jeg kunne ikke, jeg var helt still sånn.
Etter hvert viste det seg imidlertid at det foregikk en filminnspilling i bankens lokal. Men hverken banken eller filmcrewet hadde varslet politiet, og nå kan resultatet bli bøter.
You must have done a good job in there. If the was real.
Are you okay?